Here's an SMC ceiling fan. Definitely from the early 90s. I'm gonna go with antique white, something on that line, as the finish. And there's how the blade shapes off at the end. And there used to be a light kit on this fan, but it was demolished. And it was a globe lighting fixture. So, light kit. And over here, it's just your basic generic wall control. Okay, once this gets into focus, we can turn this on. And maybe, so that some of you YouTube users out there can keep quiet, I'll even show it in reverse. Yay! So, without further ado, here's low. And before I turn this on, may I just give you a heads up that this is going to contain a lot of bearing noise, since this is an SMC. So here we go. Maybe you can even hear it up there. It's relatively faint on low, but once I get up to the next speed or two, you will definitely hear it. Okay, medium. Whoop. Not too much of a drastic change in speed. I don't know. And let's kick it up to high. Now listen to this. You can definitely hear the bearing noise on here. Yeah. Whoop. It's out of focus again. Hold on. Here we go. And bingo. Yep. Alright, and off. Now I'm going to show it to you in reverse. Okay, let's go right ahead and there we go. Alright, there's the switch. And what's really odd about this one is, as you can see, the switch is, normally if you would have it in this position on something on the lines of maybe a Hunter or anything else, it would be, if you would actually take it into this position, it would have the upward draft, but instead it has the downdraft on this fan. So, okay, let's switch it over. Alright, let's try it now. Here we go, low. Okay, now we go to medium. I don't know why it's almost as if it's not even switching speed, but you know what? I can't tell you because this is not my fan. And high. Here we go, folks. Shaking, rattling, and rolling. There we have it. You can definitely hear it. Alright. And yep. Also, another great thing about the light is it dims. There you have it. So, with that, thanks for watching.